Hello and welcome to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. Goa Assembly session to go high-tech, no more cyclostyle business, electronic gadgets for MLAs, Speaker plans ISO certification for Assembly Secretariat. Goa branded a drug state globally. Irish rocker Bob Geldof says Goa gave him his best drugs, says the best stuff came from Goa. Winter yet to begin. Ribandarkar's witness first raw mangoes of the new season. Owner calls it a wonder tree, claims it yields thrice a year. And Barcelona and Real Madrid have both provided memorable moments in my career, says Luis Figo. Now the news in detail. Goa Assembly session will be high-tech. No more reply as per cyclostyle. All starred and unstarred questions and assembly business will be paperless. No paper on the MLA's desks from the next assembly session. Speaker of the Goa Assembly, Rajendra Arlekar, said that he is planning to get an ISO certification for Assembly Secretariat. Revamp of Goa Assembly with latest technology will cost about 3 crores, which the Speaker is sure of recovering within 2 assembly sessions.
Goa Assembly business will henceforth be paperless. It will be electronic with IT gadgets. No paper will be used during the business hours. All the starred and unstarred questions will either be placed before the House via iPad or laptops. MLAs will be given either of the 2 gadgets. Option is yet to be finalized.
पुढल्या अधिवेशनाच्या वेळा ज्या वेळा त्यांना सरकार ठरवतले अधिवेशन सरकार बी अशा आम्ही त्यावेळा अधिवेशनाच्या आधी ही सगळी यंत्रणा पूर्णपणे कार्यान्वित असची पूर्णपणे वर्किंग कंडिशनान मिळची असा प्रयत्न आमचा सगळ्यांचा असा ताका लागून आम्ही एक ठरवले आसा ती की म्हणजे गोंयची विधानसभा ही पूर्णपणे इलेक्ट्रॉनिकच्या किंवा इन्फॉर्मेशन टेक्नॉलॉजीच्या आधाराचेर रावतली.
Arlekar also informed that the infrastructure of Assembly Hall will be upgraded with latest technology that includes latest audio and visual facilities.
आमच्या आत्ताची असलेली सिस्टम अपग्रेड करप आणि तातूंतल्यान मागीर हातून पेपरलेस सेशन करप क्वेश्चन आन्सराचे वगैरे अशा पद्धतीचा प्रयत्न आमचो आता चालू आसा.
Efforts are on to upgrade the Assembly Secretariat by getting ISO certification.
आमच्या विधानसभा सचिवालय जे आसा ते विधानसभा सचिवालयाचे एकंदरीत कामकाज कार्यपद्धती अधिक नेटान आणि ते पारदर्शी तर आसचेच तेच खंयसर कोणाकच वाव आसूं नये डावट आणि शंका घेवपा खातीर म्हणून ते सगळे आमच्या सचिवालयाचे कामकाज काम करणारे कर्मचारी वगैरे या सगळ्यांचो व्यवस्थित अभ्यास करून ISO सर्टिफिकेशना खातीर एक आमचे तकलेन एक कल्पना आसा.
The e-tendering process has already commenced. This will cost the government almost 3 crores. Also, the MLAs will be trained to route the questions and answers through IT gadgets. Reporter Surendra Madgaikar from Vasco.
Goa is now branded globally as a drug state. Bob Geldof is on his first visit to Goa, and the renowned Irish rocker said he is happy to be in the Indian state which gave him his best drugs. Repeating his statement again during the press conference, Geldof admitted that when he was growing up, the best stuff came from Goa.
Irish rock Bob Geldof, a Nobel Peace Prize nominee, said that at a concert at a Think Fest conclave at Bamboli Saturday night, and news agency PTI has quoted him. He says, "I'm happy to be in the land which gave me my best drugs. When I was growing, the best stuff came from Goa. I know some people sent it. I don't know who they are. That's the truth. Goa and drugs were completely one in my head." Geldof said his idea about Goa and drugs date back to the time when he was 14 years old. This was his first visit to the state, although he has been to India many times to perform at concerts at Mumbai and Bangalore. He further says, "You don't have any idea how creepy it was. I came from a Catholic island. I was just 14. Goa was this blissful land with beautiful women, beaches, drugs. All this was great to me, because of which I came to see Goa." It's a global branding for Goa as a drug state. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Wow! Ampanna, pickle, and mango juice. Though regular mango season is yet to arrive, a mango tree at Rebandar is seen full with raw mangoes. Yes, the owner of the tree has named it as a wonder tree. She claims her wonder tree yields thrice a year. Dinesh Karpe reports.
Don't be surprised, these are real mangoes. And yes, you are in month of November. Have a look at the bunch of raw mangoes. Regular mango season is from February to April, but this tree has fruits in November itself. The tree belongs to Lynette Montero. She is a resident of Raibandar. She has named this tree a wonder tree.
This mango tree was planted, or rather in I think it is 2005. Within 3 years, it yielded fruits. And now we see that this tree is such a wonder tree that it gives crop every 3 months. That is, throughout the year we have mangoes on this tree. Now the manure, we only put organic manure, whatever is there, leftovers of the house, the kitchen waste, all these things are put here and covered with sand.
A video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.